Knight b5 can come. And this is the game I wanted before. This guy's 1700. This guy's in chat, baby. Carlo. Good luck, Carlo. I'm going to give you the best game I can on Man Bun Monday. Hey, guys, I broke the streak. Knight f6, c4 we play. e6, knight c3. We're going to get a true Nimzo, we are. I'm not going to analyze. I've been doing my analyzing off stream lately, Kyle. Forgive me. So you might just have to go ahead and take a look at it yourself. Because I don't, my time to play, you know, right? Like if I'm going to play, I want to play on stream. And do I play? I don't play a3 because of pawn takes, and everything's just ugly and jacked up for a bishop. So I think I take, right? And he takes. And then I will play this move. Queen b6 doesn't do anything. Queen b6. Yeah, no, it doesn't do anything. Well, it attacks f2 with check and unpins his knight. So you know what I think before I may play this move? I think I might just start developing. If I don't get my bishop out of the food chain, that's fine. I let him off the hook with the draw. I did, Adam. I did. I don't like the ending on the last one. I think you could have beaten him. Oh, no, for sure. Yeah. I like the analysis too. But like I said, if I'm going to get my playing time in, I like to do my playing time on the stream. Hey, man. We got a new follower, guys. Haciano Codera. Haciano, welcome to the stream, man. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate you, brother. So, oh yeah, I was saying we got a killer gig, man. We got a killer gig. On Friday at a place called Wake Point in Kingsland, Texas. Google that place. Wake Point in Kingsland, Texas. Right on the water. Great stage, great food. It's gas station food, but they have a kitchen. Great pizza. Great hamburgers. Great beer. And it's a big lawn. There's some picnic benches, but it's a big lawn. People bring blankets. And man, we're gonna rock them, man. We're gonna rock them Friday night. I don't know what else. I don't normally look and see what gigs I have this weekend. This early in the week. Mercy is for the week. Yeah, no. Yeah. Cobra Kai, dude, straight up. We're straight up Cobra Kai around here, man. You see, when I play Jessica, I'm wanting her to learn, but she hangs a piece, man. I rip it. What is it May? Are we in May right now? Yeah, that was the 8th. Yeah, 5/10. Okay. So, okay, this is even better. Saturday we play at Wake Point. Friday night, Courtney and I play at the club. Club is another really cool place, man. I'll play back. Pizza, burgers, and beer sounds like a party. Yeah, I think they even have a sweep the leg, Johnny. That's it, man. Hey, I'll tell you something. That Cobra Kai on Netflix or whatever, Amazon Prime, whatever it's on. Netflix? No, Amazon maybe. Whatever. Again, whatever. I ain't kidding, man. I was watching that show like way before people started watching it. It's like a guilty pleasure. It's like goofy. It's almost like a soap opera. The acting and stuff, it just seemed cheesy to me. but I freaking watched it anyway. Yeah, I didn't watch all of it, but I was like pretty deep into like the first season. And I was enjoying it, man. Okay, now I get to develop. Do we play E4 or E3? E3 controls E squares. E4 helps maintain this garbage right here, right? It's Maroxy. E4 is Maroxy-ish. E4, bishop B4 though. Bishop D3. I like E4 better than E3, guys. I feel like it's like more critical. It might not be a smart move, but I'm playing E4. I'm playing E4. Adam Freeman says, yes, acting is terrible, but like you said, it's a guilty pleasure. Yeah, that's exactly how I felt about it. I loved it. I love good shows and movies. You like E3 was better? Okay. Adam Freeman, Charly's yet thinks she's spoiled rotten. It's going to be a small get together with family, and this weekend I'm taking her and her friends skating and then staying at the Hampton for the weekend to swim. Dude, that is awesome, Adam. You're a good pop, man. There a keyboard there? No, we do not have a keyboard. This move. Knight takes, bishop takes. Do I have anything better? Well, he's attacking my queen, right? And he's threatening this, so I could like go passive. Put my queen here, which doesn't feel like it does anything. I'm gonna do this and play bishop D3, E5. I'm cool with. Queen A5. Man, is he freaking getting something out of this? Is he getting anything out of this? Queen A5, I guess I could play takes. He's gonna get my pawns jacked up, bro, because my bishop is not over here. Oh. There's knight b5. Hitting the bishop. Queen check, queen d2, queen takes, king takes. On the square. He can't take. Because I attack. Then I get this check. This pawn is going to be loose too, so at some point I'm going to have to try and rip it. Do I take the knight now? Just take the knight now. Just take the knight now. Oh, well, no, it's okay. I think it's okay. I give him the bishop pair, but I'm not getting the doubled freaking pawns on the c file. God, it took me forever to see that, guys. This is good. This is good practice. Castle queenside. It's an idea. It's an idea, man. I don't know, though. I don't know if I'm castling queenside in this position. Pete Tarragani says, Charlie, so cool of you to message me the other day while you were not filming. You're a down-to-earth human and your videos are awesome. Finally, something a little different. And who couldn't listen to this dude talk all day? Oh, man. Thank you, man. You're too kind, man. Oh, man. Yep. And now, my queen is cool. So I'm just going to play this move. And then bishop d3. And then castle. This is my plan. He's got the pair, man. And I don't like to give him the bishop pair. Well, looks like knight b5 isn't coming anytime soon. This is kind of the only move, right? Because I cannot play bishop e2 or else I get checked in a nasty, nasty way. Adam Freeman says, Charlie, I meant to tell you earlier, but I played a game of chess. First time in like 20 years. I was doing great, had him on the run. Then I messed up, took my eyes off the prize and lost my queen. Ended up losing. Oh, Adam. It's okay, man. You started playing again, dude. You started playing again. That's what matters to me. I freaking love it. We're here to spread the chess, man. Danny Gow said, seriously, man, you could have given Morgan Freeman a run for his money or on Shawshank. Oh, man, Morgan Freeman was great. What'd he do? What'd he do? He castles? I'm going to castle, too. Coffee. Are you guys impatient like me? Or do you hate the fact that you have to open this thing up and like, you know, pull the thing off? Dude, Shawshank, man. You know what? If you want to start talking about favorite movies, I don't know, man. Best movies? I could argue Shawshank. Someone asked me what my favorite actor was one time, and I remember not answering because I didn't have time. I got sidetracked like I always do. Okay. Now, my position is not good. So... his queen is here. Could we try and take advantage of it? King h1 and maybe play f4. I think we're supposed to be playing on this file, though, even though his bishop can kind of defend. Plays b6. He wants bishop b7. I'm your Huckberry. No, dude, you ain't kidding, man. You ain't kidding, Danny. Danny, that's hard to argue, too. That is arguably one of the best movies ever. Dude, I love Goodfellas, too, but the reason Goodfellas doesn't work for me, there's a little bit of a lull, man. It's a long movie. It's such a good movie. When he's making the sauce, and he's running around, and he's seeing the helicopters, I'm not saying it's bad. Goodfellas is one of the best movies ever. That's the part for me that gives it that it's not as good as Tombstone or Shawshank. Yeah. Richard Taylor says making money on GT5 online. Tim Wheaton says I live in Australia, in Sydney, Australia. Good climate here. Wait, let me read the rest of that. Good climate never would get below 50 in the middle of the winter. Wow. Adam says that's what ends up happening. It's a good movie you can watch, but do other things. No matter when I come back to it, I know where I'm at. Oh, yeah. Dude, you know a movie like that for me, man, that, like, I will watch it every time if it's on. And that is... okay, I guess I need to, like, unpin my knight, right? So that means I have to unpin the pawn. Do I want to do that? Or do I want to play my plan King H1 and F4? I really can't just get in E5 in anyway. This is a great square to get my knight on. Can't. I don't want to do this. Playing B3. Playing B3. I gotta move, guys. I gotta move. Tarl, how you doing, man? Tarl McKenzie, welcome back, man. Jaws is a great movie, dude. Val Kilmer is the man in freaking Tombstone. Jaws is a great freaking movie. Kyle Rose says, if you don't do long movies, you must have a hard time watching Tarantino films. Dude, what about Kill Bill, man? Both of them. Great freaking movies. What does it do? None of this does anything. What's up with you, Tara? How you doing today, man? Tombstone, Arizona is a great weekend trip. Totally, man. I went with my my mom's. We drove through there. Danny Goss says you are a great streamer, man. LOL, talking about movies is still focused on the game. Well, still focused. I've been losing a lot today. Jaws was epic. When he's telling the story on the boat, epic, yeah, man. He was on that that boat that went down or whatever, and he talks about the sharks coming around. Yeah, man, we're hanging out, dude. Kill Bill. Well, Kill Bill Volume 2. Right? The last sound I heard was a bullet through his head. Shawshank Redemption. Dude, how about the old guy? What was his name? Red? No. What was his name? What was the old man's name? It was so sad. You're gonna need a bigger boat. That's a great freaking line. Yeah, those are great movies. You know, someone asked me who my favorite actor was, and I'll tell you, I didn't answer him because I kept getting sidetracked, and I just got sidetracked again. Tell me a movie Gene Hackman was in that freaking sucked. You might know one. Gene Hackman just seems to make every movie okay. Even that freaking Western with freaking, what's her name? Sharon Stone. That's a good movie, man, with, what's his name? Leonardo DiCaprio? That's a good movie. And that other actor, the guy who was always handcuffed and he ends up gunfighting at the end. It's a freaking great movie. Gene Hackman, man. Brooks. Oh, Brooks. Brooks was here. No, Brooks. Brooks couldn't make it on the outside, man. Brooks couldn't make it on the outside, guys. Oh, man, I feel so bad for that poor old man. He tried to work at the supermarket. Okay. Gives him pressure. I think I want Spaceman. I don't know what else to do. My queen's gonna have to move anyway, right? Get off of this freaking file. Allora, I think, what about well, okay, this guy I think is listening to the stream though, which is okay. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Dude, you guys don't even know. I have a friend. I have a personal friend that went away for a while, man. Maybe not as long as Brooks. Oh, I can't. Oh, yeah, I can do this now. He didn't go away as long as Brooks did, probably. But this guy went away for a long freaking time. Like 7 years one time, and he got out, and then he went in for 13 more. And when he got out, their cell phones were invented when he went in. He got out. He walked out the smartphones. Everything was too much for him. He'd go to Subway and he gets so mad. He'd say he was old and angry. He'd say, like, I want a ham sandwich. He wants a freaking ham sandwich. Well, they say, what kind of bread? Like, I don't know what kind of bread. Give me bread. I want a sandwich. They're like, all right. What kind of cheese? And he would get so pissed. He would get so mad. And then they ask him, you know what Subway's like. Hey, Christopher Bennett, thank you for the 100 stars. Big Lebowski. Yeah, Big Lebowski's a good movie, man. That's a little bit lighter. Dude, freaking John Goodman in that movie is so good. I've always loved John Goodman. You know, it took me a minute to warm up to was the other husband from Roseanne, Tom Arnold. Never liked Tom Arnold. Didn't like him on Roseanne. Didn't like him in anything. You know what movie I fell in love with Tom Arnold? Name the movie. What's the first movie you fall in love with Tom Arnold with? Does anyone know? Yeah, Brooks the Librarian. Hello on the Way. I literally just watched that last week. I was rolling. His jokes are funny to me. I love him as the villain. What movie were you talking about? He sucked in Superman. Oh, he did not. Gene Hackman did not. Brandon's right. True Lies. It's True Lies, man. Okay, he's being smart. I mean, I can hit the bishop, right? He has no mate. Bishop takes. I play bishop takes bishop. I'm on the queen, and then I'm on the bishop. Guys, I have 3 minutes. Give me 1 minute to analyze this. I have to look at the in-between moves and stuff. Attacking a bishop. He just has to move the bishop. He just moves the bishop. Then I can play knight g3. I can play knight f4 on the queen, protected. Queen g5. Will pin my knight. This is true. Knight. And then knight g3. And I think I'm doing better than I was. Am I missing something? Oh, man. Let me see what Queen F4 did. Queen F4 is a move. Bishop E5. And I have to move it. I could play Queen... Yeah, I don't like that move. I don't like Queen F4. Yeah, no, it's alright. Rook E1 is a move. It drops a pawn. Flipping hilarious. Tom Arnold, True Lies. Yeah, dude. He was so great, man. McHale's Navy. Dude, I never liked Tom Arnold. He annoyed me as a person. Like, I didn't want to meet him. I didn't think he was funny. I didn't think he was good. Freaking True Lies, man. Woo! And then that dude from what's a tornado movie called? The big famous tornado movie. It's a F4. The guy that died, right? He died, didn't he? That guy was a great actor. He was great in that movie. Twister. He was a used car salesman in True Lies, and he was great. He was freaking great in it. Now, if plays back, we push, defend it. If it comes here, I can maybe get my F4 in if I want it, and then maybe E5. No, I can't play it yet because the mate is still there. Philip Seymour Hoffman? No, isn't that the guy who played the goofy guy in Boogie Nights? I'm talking to... Yeah, well, he was good in Twister. No, I'm talking about the main guy in Twister. Plays E5, locking up the position. Okay. Cool. We double the pawns. Right? For sure. Well, my bishop sucks. We double the pawns. We play F4. Oh, no, because this pawn falls. We double the pawns. We play f3 and then totally lock in my bishop. No, I still think we double the pawns, guys. He has the bishop pair. I still think this is the move. As much as my bishop sucks. And then we bring a rook. Oh, he could play f5 though and try and win my pawn. He does have that idea. God, I don't want to play f3, man. What would we say? f4? Oh, he just plays bishop takes. But he's got the weak pawns, man. And I would love that. I think I sacked that pawn. I think I'm going to play f4, man. Playing f4 so I don't lose with the freaking bad bishop. Give him the pawn, man. Give him the pawn. I'm threatening e5 because now I defend the mate. Takes, takes, queen takes. And then he plays f5. This is covered, right? I don't think he saw that. Oh, guys, I'm going to be playing on increment. I got to move. I'm having too much fun talking about movies, guys. You guys with the movies. And then bring a rook to an open file. Well, this is kind of protected, right? So maybe I'll bring this rook. Because I kind of want this rook to help over here. Axton. Only got to be killed by an alien, predator, and terminator. Okay. Pushing pawns in front of your king. Not a smart move. Hit the E pawn. I mean the D pawn. And just want to play this so bad, but no, it's dumb. Guys, I'm freaking gonna lose on time again, man. Yeah, I guess this rook is better. Oh, this move just loses the queen takes check. I can't take is the problem. I can't threaten to double though. No, I can't. Yeah. Rook takes, queen takes. I did it to myself. Don't feel bad. Now I'm going to play rook up and rip this pawn. Or better is probably bishop. If the rook pins, it's not a real pin. It's not a real pin. Because I can take, there's no back rank mates. Queen check, I just play rook back, or I play queen back. Back rank is real, but I still have this. He doesn't have the move yet. I'm threatening this. What else am I threatening? It does not a real threat because of back rank mate. I don't know if I play king over or h3. I'm not gonna look at chat. Andrew Crouch, thanks for the like. Mick sent 145 stars and I didn't even hear it. Guys, I'm so freaking stressed right now. I don't have to do that yet. No back rank mate. I actually could have played this, I guess, but I feel like this is too weak for checks. I want to win the pawn, but no. I don't think I should. I think I should probably take and just play king up. Oh, I can't take yet. Yeah, I should leave this and just take with the rook. King up first. Probably not a bad move. Okay, the rook will come down and threaten mate. But the queen covers it. Queen covers the mate. Building up some time. Guys, I'm sorry I'm not looking at chat. Oh, he wants this check. Queen check and then mate. So I can't allow that. So I guess I have to bring the queen back. Oh, the queen check. Wow. That's a good move, man, and I'm freaking in trouble right now. Queen check, which I didn't see. King up doesn't hurt. It's my only move, so I'll do it. Queen here threatening it. The mate, then the rook has to come. Well, I'll have it. Yeah, the rook comes back. Oh, but he'll get my f4 pawn. Just don't have enough time, guys. Khalid, thanks for being here, man. I'm sorry, guys, I'm not looking at chat. Forgive me. Just talk amongst yourselves. Talk amongst yourselves. This is freaking tense, man. Guys, I'm always playing on my freaking increment, man. God, I wish I could trade that queen. But if he moves a queen too far away, I'll have checks. And he could actually get mated. I think he would get mated. If queen here, I play queen check. And he has to play queen back or he gets mated. Then I take this pawn, I take this pawn. Queen, I want him to play this so bad now. First I thought it was a threat, but it's not. Because of the mates. Don't like doubling this way though, because I'm worried. Okay. Check, king here, queen check. Defend the pawn. Stop the checks. If I can take this, then I can maybe force the queens off. Would be mate, but you see the idea. Oh no, I walked off the check. Check. Rook check, I just take with the pawn. I think he should have probably tried to maybe push these pawns first. Guys, what's happening here? If I can just get this pawn. Okay, my window's turned on some storage sense. I don't want that. Now this rook has to move. He can come and attack this pawn, but I will take this. No. I think I need to defend the pawn. I think I need to defend the pawn. And queen back is the only way to do it. Folds f4. Queen f4. I mean, queen d2 holding, defending f4. If rook over, I think that might be his best move. I don't know. He's getting closer on time too, man. This is intense, man. Okay, guys. I mean, I'm better, but my king is under attack. My queen has been doing a pretty good job defending. My rook is not defended, and on this open board, it could be very, very dangerous. I mean, he could like sack a rook for a pawn or something and then check and pick up the rook. Like, he can't do it here, but it's a real thing. I really want to get this move in. Then I can force the queens off. But I can't do it on rook because... Check. King up, rook check. Here, I'll be able to avoid checks. Oh, wait. I have a check. I think I have a check. Oh, he still has a check, though. There's a push. Check. He covers his square is the problem. If I take, do I get mated? I don't think I get mated, guys. Oh, the rook check is a move. Okay, forced, so just do it. He doesn't have a check there. He has a pawn check. And I think I can just... take, right? And I'm threatening mate. Does he have any checks? I don't think he does. He has to stop. Well, he has a check here. Okay. And I have a check. I can play queen. Or do I play a rook? The thing about rook is it attacks his rook. No, but f4 falls. Queen check, king g4. He has his check again. Does it stop the checks? I like this move though. It undefends my rook, but I think I'm okay. I think I'm okay, man. Queen check. King. Check. Back. Maybe not. I was considering stopping a check with this, but I don't know if that's a good move. Okay, I need to get my rook defended, guys, and stop, like, really playing by the seat of my pants. I have 12 seconds. Okay, 12 seconds. Check. He has a check. Then I play g4. He's getting mated, I think. That was a mistake. Guys, sorry I ignored your chat. What movies did we talk about? What did I miss? Ooh, did anyone... I hope Christopher Bennett gave 100 stars for Big Lebowski. King H4 worked. Didn't see it. God, guys, what a game. Okay. This move, and there are no checks. And then he will have to play queen there to get mated. Woo! Dudes, that was freaking intense, man. He gets a thumbs up.